Welcome, cosmic explorers. Prepare to embark on a journey that will challenge your perception of reality. Today, we're diving into the mind-bending scale of our universe. Buckle up, because these 20 facts are about to take you on a wild ride through space and time. Before we blast off, let's set the stage. Imagine you're holding a grain of sand. Now, picture that grain as our entire planet Earth. Ready? Let's go. If the sun were shrunk down to the size of a white blood cell, our entire Milky Way galaxy would stretch across the United States. That's right. From sea to shining sea, you'd have an entire galaxy. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're peering at a cosmic blood cell in a galactic body. Think our beaches are crowded? The universe laughs at our puny grains of sand. There are more stars out there than all the grains of sand on every beach on Earth. Let that sink in. Every time you pick up a handful of sand, you're holding fewer particles than there are suns in the cosmos. When you look at the Andromeda Galaxy, you're seeing light that left its source 2.5 million years ago. That's before humans even existed. If aliens in Andromeda had a powerful enough telescope to see Earth, they'd be watching dinosaurs roam our planet. Talk about delayed broadcasting. Meet Uy-Scuti, the celestial sumo wrestler of stars. This behemoth is so massive that if we plopped it where our sun is, it would engulf everything up to Jupiter's orbit. Imagine waking up one day to find your entire solar system has become one giant star. That's Uy-Scuti for you, the cosmic equivalent of I ate the whole pizza by myself. Ready for a number that'll make your head spin? The observable universe contains over 2 trillion galaxies. That's like having a galaxy for every star in 500 Milky Ways. And remember, each of those galaxies contains billions of stars. If you started counting them now, you'd finish, well, never. The universe is basically saying, go home. Calculator, you're drunk. Here's a folding feat that puts origami to shame. If you could fold a piece of paper 42 times, and we mean if you could defy the laws of physics, its thickness would reach the moon. That's right, your homework could become a lunar elevator. The next time someone says the sky's the limit, tell them to think bigger, or should we say fold bigger? Contrary to popular belief, the Great Wall of China isn't visible from the moon. It's barely visible from low Earth orbit. Sorry, ancient architects, but your megaproject is more of a pretty good wall from space. It's like trying to spot a hair on a basketball from across the room. Neutron stars are the universe's ultimate fidget spinners. These cosmic cores can rotate up to 600 times per second. That's faster than your blender, your car's engine, and probably your mind right now. If Earth spun that fast, a day would last less than a tenth of a second. Talk about a quick work week. At the center of our galaxy lurks a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A*, weighing as much as 4 million suns. Imagine cramming 4 million suns into a space smaller than our solar system. It's like fitting an entire beach worth of sand into a grain of sand. This cosmic heavyweight puts new meaning to the phrase power center. If Earth were the size of a marble, Jupiter would be a basketball. Next time you're shooting hoops, imagine each ball as a gas giant. Suddenly, that three-pointer is a lot more impressive, isn't it? It's a slam dunk reminder of just how petite our pale blue that really is. The pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula are cosmic skyscrapers of gas and dust. Light takes 7 years to travel from top to bottom. That's like having a building so tall. If you turned on the lobby lights, the penthouse wouldn't brighten up until your second term as president was almost over. Forget Earth's puny diamonds. Meet 55 Cancri, a planet that's likely made largely of diamond and twice the size of Earth. It's the universe's way of saying, you called it a rock? If this planet were an engagement ring, you'd need a forklift to wear it. The largest known structure in the universe, the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, stretches a mind-boggling 10 billion light-years. That's like building a wall from Earth to Pluto, then repeating that distance 270,000 times. And you thought your neighbor's fence was excessive. You could fit over 1 million Earths inside the sun. It's the ultimate cosmic clown car trick. If Earth were a golf ball, the sun would be a sphere the height of a 4-story building. Suddenly, that fun-sized candy bar doesn't seem so small anymore, does it? If you could drive your car straight up at highway speeds, you'd reach space in about an hour. That's a shorter commute than some people have to work. Unfortunately, parallel parking in orbit is a nightmare, and the gas stations are pretty sparse up there. Voyager 1, our farthest traveled spacecraft, has been zooming through space since 1977. Yet it's only covered 0.0006% of a light year. It's like running a marathon where the finish line is on Pluto. Talk about a long-distance relationship with Earth. Ton 618, a supermassive black hole, has a mass of 66 billion suns. That's like if every human on Earth were the weight of our sun. This cosmic glutton is so massive it makes our galaxy's central black hole look like a diet plan. The cosmic web, containing 84% of the universe's matter, is like a giant 3D spider web connecting galaxies. If you thought untangling your headphones was hard, imagine trying to untangle this. It's the universe's way of playing the ultimate game of connect the dots. If the Milky Way were the size of a dinner plate, Andromeda would be another plate 3 feet away. That's the cosmic equivalent of social distancing. But don't get too comfortable. These galactic dishes are on a collision course, set to merge in about 4.5 billion years. Talk about slow-motion dining drama. In the time it takes to say 1 second, light travels 186,282 miles, or circles the Earth 7.5 times. If you could travel at this speed, you'd reach the moon in 1.3 seconds and the sun in 8 minutes. Unfortunately, the DMV doesn't issue licenses for light-speed travel. Yet. And there you have it, space enthusiasts. 20 mind-bending facts that showcase the truly awesome scale of our universe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Our channel has plenty more mind-expanding content coming your way. Until next time, keep looking up, stay curious, and remember, in the grand scheme of things, we're all just cosmic dust. But what magnificent dust we are.